But if you're doing it just one night, your biggest danger is having people or animals step on the roof of your cave and collapse it. I've seen this happen twice, once with a moose. When I was a kid, our Boy Scout troop had dug a whole bunch of snow caves, and a moose wandered through our camp in the middle of the night, not realizing that there was boys underneath the snow. And one of the kids woke up with a moose hoof just going whoop, right past his head. And of course he screamed, and that freaked the moose out, and the moose started jumping around, and then it collapsed the roof of his snow cave. Now, luckily everyone was okay. He didn't get stepped on. You know, he just had a really cold night though, because his snow cave collapsed and he didn't have a snow cave anymore. But at any rate, that's kind of the big tips about building snow caves.